He's got, oh, there's even a lady.
Let me see, oh. You see it. You turn around this way. Maybe it'll be better. Sun won't be in your eyes, huh? See, that's a load of corn, Owen. Isn't it? Can you eat all that?
Yeah.
That'd be fun, huh?
I might do be a muscle man. I might have big muscles right now.
Uh-huh. Oh, you gonna go put them in a wheelbarrow? Come on,
Yeah.
go ahead and put them in a wheelbarrow. Coming through, Mom.
Oh,
It's okay, I'll get them.
we got more. Now I know.
Owen, right there? Oh,
Making my sister.
there it is.
Here, no. You go back and take some corn.
You're getting them loaded in there, aren't you?
Oh, yeah, we got a lot. How are we going to bring that all today? Right here. That's lovely.